Cars and Coffee today, guys. So I'm going to meet up with my friend and you'll meet Bob the Beetle.
How's about this? You get a free pint of Corona. The old working pump. What do you reckon? Brilliant.
So this is going to be a later video. I bought myself a trickle charger and I've been testing it over a full season. So it went through last winter and it worked a treat. As you can see, it's keeping the battery on charge and it's topped up to full. So I go into the price and everything, and you know, I was looking at some really expensive trickle chargers, and this is not expensive in comparison at all, and it's working a treat. So that's another video to follow on the trickle charger. Anyway, off to Liverpool. So this is Bob. Hey, no, it's my mate's.
It's yours? I love to look. Yeah. How did you need all that stuff on?
So Matty changed the headlining for these Hessian sacks, and that is the reverse of the sticker that's on the back window. That he put the reverse on it, and he sprayed the VW Bob car's name on the headlining. And there at the back there you can see the original number plates, the Mexican number plates, and his enormous beatbox. I love the blind at the back, and it's got trick suspension. It can go up and down. You can slam it down, which he's done at the moment.
You've sort of secured it to the roof. Yeah.
You look under there.
Oh, I see. Oh wow.
Because the inner roof cover was rubbish.
Yeah.
It was leaking.
Yeah, that's a bit novel, isn't it?
Yeah. So I spent 2 weeks just messing with that with spray glue, and it seems to come out all right.
What's that in the back?
So that's a JBL.
His beatbox. Yeah.
And it's take in, take out.
That's brilliant. Did you buy this?
Shifter.
Did you buy all that?
So, new EMPI quick shifter, and it's the gator that failed. Lift up and the mechanism moves, and it wasn't doing that before. So the other one had broken inside the mechanism. So just about to fit it, hopefully. Bunsies up, we're back on the road.
Yeah, I saw you on the thing, yeah, it looked good.
A couple of weeks before Cars and Coffee, Bob looked like this. My friend wanted to have a respray because he wasn't happy with some of the finishes and he had a few rusty areas. So he was going to rattle can it himself, but he just couldn't match the colour because obviously it's faded. The original colour has faded over the years. So we got a pro in, and he had a fantastic price to get a almost total respray. It wasn't quite a full respray, but it wasn't far off. and he's really pleased with the finish, as you can see from for yourself from the show pictures. So yeah, it's something I'm looking to do with my own car, actually. You get a really nice finish on, and the finish is good, but you just can't stop the rust. And I've got a few bubbly areas on my Jag that I want to get treated, so yeah, it's on the cards for my car too. But he did a really nice job, and it's a really good finish to it, considering he only had a small workshop. Is that his full height then? Yeah. 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 Well,
If you lowered it, you want to get right underneath. You want to get right underneath now and see how low it goes.
yeah, go on
They
then.
can't lose you.
Yeah. Slam it down, man.
Right down at the front now.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Beetle. Happy birthday. 21, aren't you?
How low is that?
Loads of them are on those there. Yeah, it's ridiculous. I'd love that to be on it. I'd love it to be on it. It'd be a lot more usable. Yeah. But yeah, if someone buy it as a small, because they are. It's $2.5 for like the kit, let alone getting someone to fit it.
You can see in that.
Reflecting.
Beautiful. I like the wheels on yours though.
Just classic.
Yeah. I mean, it does look good with the Porsche wheels on, but I like the blinds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got the elephant feet lights on there, and these 365 lights.
Tart it up, or you can take everything off it and it can look flat.
I love
I spotted Gary Mathers in the show, and he's got a brilliant channel called Classic Obsession, which I follow, and he does some fantastic restoration jobs, and I really wish I had his skills and his workshop as well.
I'm hoping when this wrap
Shouldn't really buy a wrap car, but I'm sorry.
Rub on the stickers. That's faster than the Rambo. Within 5 minutes of time, it's that to can you see that on here? Yeah. Put it in double. Bars on the side.
Oh, fuck you. Actually, 3 times in it, I'm supposed to. It's well turned out.
That's got to be a set.
I've heard of 10K.
So the story behind this really amused my friend and I. This guy collects BMX bikes. Now BMX bikes have become really valuable now, original BMX bikes, and he sold one for £7,000 and another for £3,000, and then bought this Porsche 944 for £10,000. So basically this whole car, this Porsche 944, was 2 BMX bikes. It's crazy. Just don't see him on the road anymore, do you? Yeah. This is nice.
There is, yeah. They rattle around if you forget to put them on. Yeah.
I get stuff from there's a place in North which does all the electrical spark thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you can get blanks for them, but or they are open window. Mine was like open windows. But all my injectors went twice on my one. It ended up costing 1,200 quid a time.
That's proper engineering.
I mean, that is cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've just been sat in a beer garden now with a pint. Cheers. Editing the video and just about to put it together and upload it. So please remember to like and subscribe and comment on the video, please, because it helps out the growth of the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.